Hello everyone and welcome to my little slice of internet. Today we're going to be working on the M3 and we're going to be putting a brand new fuel pump in there and I'm going to show you how.
So the first thing we're going to do is take out the seats. We're going to pull back this cover to access the fuel pump.
Next thing we're going to do now that we pulled this back is we're going to get these 4 Phillips head screws out of here.
Now that we have access to the fuel pump, we can take out the black and white plugs. The ring that holds the fuel pump in place was a little snug and I didn't have a tool big enough to get it out, so I had to get creative and use a hammer. Now that we got the old fuel pump out, we can put the new one in. Don't forget to reattach the plugs and the hose, and be mindful of which direction the plugs are supposed to go. Usually they're black on the top, white on the bottom.
Alright, we're getting in to try to start the fire. You hear the fuel pump? Okay, so I have a little bit of turnover. It's starting, but it's not staying. It goes, and then it stops. I don't know why.
So it turns out I wasn't getting enough fuel pressure during priming. It's supposed to be 40 psi and I was only getting 10. So I'm going to get a new fuel filter and a fuel pressure regulator to make sure that those aren't the issues. In the meantime, please subscribe to follow up for part 2.